Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So in this series, we are going to discuss one important topic, that is Maven commands. So basically, on regular basis, before executing any anything on Java and Selenium, or basically if we do anything on Java, so basically we require Maven commands or Maven repository we use. So through Maven commands, we execute our test cases, clean, compile. We do different package, install, deploy. We do different activities. So what are the commands we are going to cover here? Okay, so let's start this. Let's say basic lifecycle commands. What are those? MVN validate. It validates the pom.xml and checks dependencies. Then MVN compile compiles the source code, that is src main java. Ambient test compile compiles test code, that is src test java. Okay. Ambient test runs the tests, that is JUnit TestNG, using surefire plugin. Then ambient package the compiled code into jar or war file. Ambient installs the package into local Maven repository. Ambient deploys the package to a remote repository. Ambient cleans the target folder. Okay, this is the basic lifecycle commands, Maven lifecycle commands. Okay, let's move to next. Clean plus common combos. Okay, ambient clean compile. So it cleans and compiles fresh code. Both cleans and compiles fresh code. Ambient clean test cleans and runs tests. Ambient clean package cleans, compiles, tests, and packages. Ambient clean install cleans and installs package to local repo. Ambient clean deploy cleans and deploys to remote repo. Then let's say running specific tests. We want to run specific tests. How we will do from Maven? Ambient test hyphen d test is equal to my test class runs a specific test class. Ambient test hyphen d test is equal to my test class has my method runs a specific test method. Ambient test hyphen d test is equal to my test class 1 comma my test class 2 runs multiple test classes. So in this case it will run my test class 1, my test class 2, both will run. Next, running with TestNG XML. Let's say we want to suppose we want to run with TestNG XML. How will do that? Ambient clean test minus d DsuiteXmlFile is equal to TestNG.xml. That's how we can run TestNG.xml from Maven. Runs tests using TestNG.xml. Then ambient clean test minus d surefire dot suite.xml files is equal to TestNG.xml. Alternative way to run TestNG XML. Passing parameters. How will pass parameters in Maven command? Let's say ambient clean test minus d browser is equal to Chrome. Suppose we want to execute the test with Chrome browser. Then we do that, like ambient clean test minus d browser is equal to Chrome. Passes parameters to test, that is browser name. Ambient clean test minus d suite.xml file is equal to testng.xml minus d browser is equal to Chrome. That is running TestNG test with a specific suite file and passing a custom parameter, that is browser. Okay. Then mvn clean test minus d env is equal to qa, runs test in qa environment. Okay, any specific environment we can pass that. Next, other useful commands. Let's say mvn dependency colon t shows dependency hierarchy. mvn dependency colon analyze finds unused or missing dependencies. mvn versions colon display hyphen dependency hyphen updates shows newer versions of dependencies. mvn help colon effective hyphen pom displays merged pom.xml after inheritance or profiles. mvn surefire report colon report generates html test reports. Okay, so these are the Maven commands which we usually use. This is very important topic. So whenever you will work with Maven or whenever we execute our test cases or our program through Maven, we will require these commands. Okay guys, so I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.